What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. So my smartwatch, my Huawei Series 1, the battery dies, messed up, it's not working. So I decided to get a brand new battery because it's worth it. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. I enjoy this watch, so I really don't want to get a new one. It does everything that it needs. It's just the battery is just didn't work. So let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we got to do is open it up, and I just made a video about this alternative iFixit kit. Pretty dope. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you could get this, the battery and the Huawei watch if you're interested in getting this version. So let's open it up. Let me see which screw I need to get.
Is the end. Hold your breath and count to 10. Feel the earth move and then hear my heart burst again. Sky fall when it crumbles. Sky fall.
All right, so I managed to open it up. I had to do it off camera, do my research. But now we got to take this one connector right here off, nice and gentle. There you go. And then we have to take this connector right here off, nice and gentle. We could push it back. And then we gotta take these screws off right here, because we gotta take out the motherboard, what you call it. It's a small little screw, so you gotta be very careful not to lose it. It's being held by these little tabs right here in the corner. Let me bring it up a little bit, right there and there in four corners. So you gotta pry it so it could come out. Give me 1 second. So we gotta do one of these numbers for it. And we have to be very careful. This one right there. We got all of them out. Oh, no, don't tell me I'll put it out. Okay. So we lift that up. And there you go. This is where the battery is at. And we gotta make sure that we put it the same way that is being shown there. And it doesn't help that I'm a little bit shaky also. I had a lot of caffeine this morning, but it is what it is. So we just take this battery out. Is it being held with anything? All right, so I finally got it taken out. It was stuck with some crazy, look, it's mad sticky there, so I had to force it out. But let's go put this battery back in. This is the brand new one. And it just sits something like this. Easy. You don't really gotta break your neck. Put the motherboard there. Make sure everything is nice and clean inside. Make sure these tabs are pulled back, so when you put it back in there, I'll be forgetting. Hold on. Yep, there you go. This is the way it would do it. It's a little bit of corrosion there, so let me try to clean it up real quick. All right, so I got everything back together. Goes in there. I had to clean the little battery because the battery had a little corrosion, but I think we're good to go. Gotta plug in these connectors. I'm sorry if my head is in the way. All right, so I got it all together. The moment of truth. Let's see if it works. See if it works. There you go. Now I gotta let it charge. Make sure that everything works in there. But the main thing is, gotta let it charge for until it be 100%. Let it die down. After that, I'm good to go. So just because you have an old watch, if it does this job, just change the battery. It's a little headache, yes, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be it's gonna be worth it. It's definitely gonna be worth it. I love this watch. I don't see myself upgrading to another watch for, I guess, a couple months, I guess, because it is getting kind of old, and there are nicer watch out there. But for now, I'm cool with this. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.